For your truth expression, removing the undefined, you need to update the text content of the current product count span to be the current product count followed by an X. Use a template literal to do so. It says for your truth expression. We know if the condition requirement has been met, it would execute the true block, which is this one, and this is the false one. So this would mean that this is our truthy expression, and we are to modify this part. It says you need to update the text content of your current product count span. And text content is actually a built-in property of JavaScript. So first we have to call the current product count span. Current product count span. And then interpolate the property, which would be the text content. Assigning it to a template literal, which is achieved with the backticks. And inside of it would be the dollar sign and then the curly braces. And inside of it would be the current product count. And then it says followed by an X. Nice.